Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm your tax dost and tax host Anthony Williams, and this is Tax Dosti reporting. Today we'll be covering the most important topic that you ask every tax consultant, every lawyer, every chartered accountant when you decide to file your tax returns, and that is what documents do I have to submit as a salary individual to file my tax returns. So this video will be taking you step by step of what compulsory documents you have to provide, as well as what additional documents that you can provide which will help you to reduce your tax liability. The first question to ask is that where can I get this document? So if you visit Tax Dosti website, taxdostywebsite.com. On the website, if you scroll down a little, you'll find a heading download checklist of documents for tax filings in Pakistan. And basically, there are two types of documents there. One is for salaried individual, and the other one is for business individuals and freelancers. So you can press the download button, and this document will be downloaded. Now, who is a salaried person? Because we are dealing with tax laws, so tax laws have their own definitions, and according to Income Tax Ordinance 2001, a salaried person is a person whose total income consists of salary, or his source or his main source of income is salary, which means that if, for example, if you are earning total 100 rupees, and that 100 rupees is totally you earned that through employment, so you are a salaried individual, and even if you earned 60% of more than 50% of that income through salary, still you are a salaried person. And recently the government has reduced the rates for salaried individuals as well as business individuals. So let's see what are the documents that you have to give your consultant so that he can successfully file your tax return. The first is CNIC copy, which is important because it has your address, your ID card number, and some other details that are required for initially registering you as well as filing your annual tax return. Then you have to provide your consultant with salary slips for past 12 months, July 2017 to June 2018. And basically, salary slips, the purpose of providing those salary slip is so that the consultant can know what was your basic pay, your gross pay, what were the deductions, how much was deducted from for the provident fund and other funds, so that he can or she can correctly represent that in your income tax return as well as in the wealth statement. Going forward, the most important document I think is tax deduction certificate from the employer. Since we are now talking about tax year 2018, filing for tax returns 2018, so the period involved is July 2017 to June 2018. So the employer will provide you with a tax, rather the accountant will provide you with a tax deduction certificate which will state how much tax has been deducted from you, and what was your total gross salary on which that tax was deducted. That's a very important document, a copy of which you should keep with yourself, and one copy you should provide to the accountant. The second important document is the bank statement in which your salary account, the employer deposited your salary or transferred your salary. So that bank statement should reflect those 12 monthly salary payments, as well as it may also reflect other amounts that you have received, maybe from your family, friends, or some investment you may have made. So the consultant, the lawyer, the chartered accountant will confirm that these payments, this income has been received in bank. And another important document is list of personal assets, including value of these assets and liabilities. Since you know that it's compulsory to file a wealth statement along with your income tax return, so you have to provide a complete list of assets and their values, as well as if you have any liabilities with them. So in Simple terms, basically you have to provide the complete details of the sources of your income. In this case, your source of income is salary, because you are an employee in one or multiple organizations, and the amount that is being set as income is categorized as salary, and there is a separate salary tax return for salaried persons. So for in order for your consultant to fill it correctly, you have to provide him with the tax deduction certificate, so that he knows how much tax was deducted and what was your gross amount, as well as your salary slips, so that he can put the provident fund and other amounts that are assets for you in your wealth statement as well as bank statement, to ensure that this amount was actually received. And if you have property or jewelry, cash, bank accounts, investments, plots, anything, you should declare them properly, anything that is in your name. So these are the minimum compulsory documents required for filing a tax return. But Tax Dosti is here to help you not only file your tax return and not only to know your tax rights, but rather to also to reduce your tax liability. So these are the documents that if you make a little effort, you can reduce your tax liability. Normally, your employer deducts a lot of tax from your salary, which is according to the gross amount of salary he's paying to you. But the other amounts that are deducted, for example, on mobile phones, or zakat deducted, or profits earned, or tax deducted on utility bills, or if you have made investments or bought air tickets or paid for educational expenses, these transactions unfortunately are mostly our expenses, and the tax law has evolved in such way that now when you after paying the correct tax on your salary income, you still have to pay advance tax or withholding tax, WHT, which is income tax on these expenses. And if you see our tax dossier reporting videos, previous videos as well as coming videos, you'll see that we are constantly commenting on the news and how it is affecting your tax rights. So you should be aware that these are expenses, and technically you don't have to pay tax on them. But because of the withholding system, you have to pay. When you top up your mobile, you have to pay a certain amount of income tax as well as sales tax, federal excise duty. But the portion of income tax that you paid between July 2017 to June 2018, it is advance tax, so you can get it back. And since your employer deducted all the tax required to be deducted from your gross salary, any other tax that you pay is an advance tax that you can get back, or at least adjust it in the coming years in your tax return. Your tax consultant will be depending upon the amount of your refund or returnable tax, he or she will be um, advising you appropriately. So if you call up your helpline, they'll provide you with a certificate of tax. Rather, this year, Mobilink by itself forwarded all the certificate of tax to all its consumers. One thing you have to remember, that in the law in section 165, it's given that every withholding agent, like for example Mobilink or your employer or Lesco, Pesco, every withholding agent is bound to give you a tax deduction certificate after he has made the tax deduction on the amount of expense or income that you have made. So it is your right to receive all these certificates, but since not many people are demanding from different institutions, for example, you may have made a charitable donation to Shaukat Khanum or any recognized institution, and you may not be aware that making that charitable donation can reduce your tax liability. Your tax consultant will explain it in detail, but basically by making some expenses or by doing some investment, you get a reduction in tax liability. Similarly, you may not be aware that if you buy air tickets, domestic and international, a certain amount of income tax is deducted, which is not your tax liability, rather it is advance tax, withholding tax, and you can get it back by mentioning that amount in your income tax return 2018, and that will be credited to your tax account. And then similarly on educational institutions and on cash withdrawal, for the cash withdrawal you can get the certificate from the bank. For the educational expenses, you can give your consultant the fee slips on which it is mentioned that 5% tax has been deducted. For air tickets, you can give them the printout of the page which mentions that this amount, X amount, has been deducted. And advance tax on transactions in bank. Certain when you are a non-filer or when you are first time filing your tax return, for example, if you are, this is your first time that you are filing your tax return for 2018, which means that you have been a non-filer in the previous year. So even if you wrote a cross check or got a pay order made, certain income tax amount was deducted, which you can get back if you file your tax return by mentioning it in your tax returns. And you can also get the tax deducted on registration, buying or selling of motor vehicle, or registering, getting the token, or buying or selling of immovable property, plots and buildings. Another interesting thing is knowing your tax rights. If you buy insurance premium, if you pay insurance premium, which is an expense or an investment, you get a certain tax rebate on that. And if you have organized any or paid for any function, wedding function, birthday function, or the bill you paid included advance income tax, which you can claim in your tax return. And there is tax reduction, which means that if 100 rupees comes as your tax liability and you are a senior citizen, which means you are over 60 years of age, or a disabled person, or a teacher, professor in a public university, you get 40% of your tax liability too. So the same amount of money if another person earns, and if you earn, they pay 100 rupees, you pay 60 rupees if you are a teacher in a professor in a government institution. So friends, visit our Facebook page, Tax Dosti, and you can visit us. We are in DHA Phase 3, Sector XX, 45A Shaheen Plaza. And this is the checklist that you can download from our website, taxdosti.com. Thank you very much for your time. And if you have any additional questions or special questions, you can ask us in the comments below. Have a nice day. Thank you.